Good morning, students. I am Bushra Janjua. I am your new teacher of KG2. Today I'll tell you that whenever you will get your book pack, you will find that you are having 2 English books in that. Number 1, Oxford Progressive English. And this is your basically English book in which you will do so many exercises and reading also, and we will do a lot of concepts of grammar also in that. And the other one is English, Oxford English Reading Circle. This is your reader in which we will read. There are some stories also, and object names and rhyming words and so on, but we will read it with phonics, not without phonics. Okay, other than these books, you will find that you are having an English notebook of 4 lines. In these 4 lines, I think that you are used to write in KG1 also, and on your manuals. Do you remember that you wrote on your manuals in these 4 lines? So today we will revise it, because in KG2 you are going to advance your studies. You will find that there are 4 lines on your notebook, and I also having these 4 lines on my board. Let's start from writing A, go down and across. This is capital A. And in center 2 lines you will write small a. And just be careful about the lines, because lines are very much important. All right, then what comes after A? B. Go down, around and around. B. And small. In upper 3 lines, go down and across. So this is capital and small. B. What comes after B? C. K. And small c we will write in center 2 lines. What comes after C? D. In upper 3 lines you will write D. And in upper 3 lines we will write small b. Then what comes after D? E. Upper 3 lines E. And in center 2 lines you will write E. What comes after E? F. In upper 3 lines you will write capital F, and small f also will come in upper 3 lines. So what comes after F? G. Simply you will make capital C, then go up and down. Please focus on the formation of the letter and copy and practice the same pattern. G. In lower 3 lines you will write G. What comes after G? H. Go down and across. H. And now small h in upper 3 lines. H. What comes after H? I. Capital I, upper 3 lines, and small I in center 2 lines. I. E. What comes after I? J. In upper 3 lines you will write J. And in lower 3 lines you will write J. Small j will be in lower 3 lines. What comes after J? K. In upper three lines, K, and in upper three lines again, small k, K, K. What comes after K? L. L. In upper three lines, capital, and in upper three lines, the smaller one also. What comes after L? M. In upper three lines, M. And in center two lines, M. What comes after M? N. In upper three lines, N. And in center two lines, small n. What comes after N? O. Around. And in center two lines, you will write small o, around. What comes after O? P. In upper three lines, P, P. And in lower three lines, P, P. Small p will be in lower three lines. What comes after P? Q. Around and out. And smaller q we will write in lower three lines. First make a, then go down and make a small loop. What comes after Q? R. In upper three lines, go down, around and out. And small r we will write in center two lines. What comes after R? S. So in upper three lines we will write S. Capital S in upper three lines and small s in center two lines. Now what comes after is T. Capital T in upper three lines, go down and across. And small t will also come in upper three lines and T. What comes after T? U. In upper three lines you will write U. And in center two lines you will write small u. What comes after U? V. Go down and up. And small v we will write in center two lines. What comes after V? W. In upper three lines you will write W in this way. And small w we will write in center two lines. What comes after W? X. In upper three lines we will write X. And in center two lines we will write small x. What comes after X? Y. In upper three lines we will write capital Y, and in lower three lines we will write small y. And the last letter of the alphabet is Z. In upper three lines we will write capital Z, and in center two lines we will write small z. So students, these are capital and small letters, and I'll come again to you with a new lecture on sky letters. Thank you.